Hello everyone, welcome to online class of St. Joseph Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. Today we are going to do part 2 section of addition of chapter 4, that is from exercise 4a, question 8 to question 12 we are going to discuss. So let's begin it. Now children, you know how to add. Okay. Now whenever we add the large numbers, the same way we add the smaller numbers also. Always we start from ones place, then we move left, adding the digits at place, each place one after the other. Now see this question number 11. You have to add this 64,315, 10,463, 5 lakh 12,210. Now all these numbers you have to add it. See, commas are there. Okay. Now what you will do? First, you will mention their places. Ones, tens, 100,000 like this, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. You can see here uh, there are 5-digit numbers also and 6-digit numbers also. Okay. So from the ones you have to first write down 64315. So you will start from ones, but the places will be like this. So 5 will be at ones place, 1 will be at tens place, 3 at hundreds place, 1,000 place you will write 4, and 10,000 place you will write 6. The next number you will write down, children, that you have to add it. From ones place you will start, that is 3. Then at tens 6. Then at hundreds you will write 4, 1,000 you will write 0, and then 10,000 you will write 1. The next number is having lakh place also, children, you can see. So add that one also. From ones you start, that is 0. Then tens is having 1. Then 100 is having 2. Then 1,000 is having 2. And then 10,000 1. And then at lakh place 5. Add it all, children. These questions are without carrying. Now 5 plus 3 is 8. And then tens place you have to add 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then 100 place you will add 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then 1,000 place you will add 4 plus 0 is 4 plus 2, that is 6. Then 10,000 place 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. And there is no number at lakh, only 1 is there. 5 is there, and there is no other number, so 5 plus 0 is 5 only. So simply you will get the answer 5,86,988. Now next question, children. Here you can see there are numbers of this 6-digit number and 5-digit numbers. All you have to add on. So first number, before placing the number, you have to write down the places: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, always start from the ones. Then the first number is, or first uh, 6-digit number is 2,20,426. This way children you will write. Then next add on 2,10,251. The next is 44,000. So children, at the thousand place you have to write 44,210. Then next is 4,13,002. Now after placing like this you have to add on, children. Now there is no carry. In this question also no carry is there. Simply you have to add on. The way you added earlier, the same way you have to add on. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. At tens place 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then at hundreds place 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now thousand place 4 plus 3 is 7. Now 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8 at 10,000 place. At lakh place you will add on and you will get 8. So what is the answer? 8,87,889. Now children, see this question, C part. This question is given in words. Now first what you will do, you will write the words in numbers. Before placing number or writing the number, you have to write down the place. So 3,201, then you have to add 15,500, then 145. Now how you're going to do? First write down the places: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, as there is no lakh here. Okay, now first is 3,201. After that comma is there. Then you will write the next number. Okay, so first you write in figures 3,201. So 3 at thousand place, 2 at hundreds place, and 0, and then 1 at ones place. Then next is 15,500. Now you have to write 15 at in the place of thousands period, then 500. That means at five place you will write 5, and then next two zeros will be there at tens and ones. Then the third part is 145. Write in figures 145. In this way you will write down, children, and then you add on. So at ones place is 5 plus 1 is 6, at tens 4, at hundreds 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, then at thousand again 8, 3 plus 5, and then 10,000 1. So what is the answer? 18,846. Now see the D part question, children. 2,20,111, 7,05,283, 62,404. Now children, mention the places up to lakh. Then first is 2,20,111. Now how you're going to write? Like this, see. 2 at lakhs place, 20,000. So 20 will be written on thousands period, then 111, 1 at 100 place, and then 11. Then next add 7,05,283. So this way you are going to write 7 at lakhs period, then 5 at thousands period, 283, 2 at 100 place, and 83 after that. Then the next is 62,404. Now 62 at thousand period and 4 at 100 place, and then 4. That means 0 at tens place and 4 at ones place. Now add on, children. From ones you will start. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now at tens 1 plus 8 is 9. Then 100. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 4 7. Then 1000. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 10,000. 2 plus 6 is 8. Then lakh. 2 plus 7 is 9. So your answer is 99 lakh 87,798. What is the answer? 9 lakh 87,798. Next question 12. Find the sum. Okay. Now this is also the same way you have to do. 23,412. Then add on 41,250. Then add on 15,127. Now from ones you will start. 2 plus 7 9, tens 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Then at hundreds 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Then at 1000 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 10,000 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So your answer is 79,789. Now children, B part, 3,15,670. This you will add with 2,42,105. Then you will add 1,20,214. Okay, all the numbers should be placed on according to their places only. Ones will be having ones numbers, tens will be having tens number, like this. You have to mention according to their places. Then you have to add on from ones. 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 2 is 8. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 7 again. Then 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. So your answer is 6,77,989. Now next question, C part, 4,500. This you will add with 21,350. Then you will add with 8,63,120. Now children, you can see here how I have written. They are written, the numbers are written according to their places. Now at ones place you can see 0 is there, so when you will add you will get 0. Then tens place you will get 7. At hundreds place you will get 9. At thousand place you will get 8. And again at 10,000 you will get 8. And at lakh also 8. So your answer is 8,88,970. Children, always start from ones. Now next question is D part. 6,10,420. This you will write down first. Then you will write 25,157. Start from the ones place, children. Then only you will get the correct place to write. Now 25,000 you will write in at thousands period only. Okay. Then next is 3,200. That you will add on. Then next is 1101. Now add all these, so you will get the answer 6,39,878. These are very simple addition, children. You can do it. Children, you will do the homework part from the exercise 4A, question 8 to question 10. All the parts A, B, C, D. Okay, 8, 9, and 10. This you have to do in your book. As the you can see here, only addition is there, simple addition is there. There is no carrying. Only the difference is that here the number of places have increased. Okay, so that you can do it. There will be the large numbers, but the addition, the same way you will do the process is the same which you did earlier. The same way you have to add on and find out the answer. Now in today's module, children, we learned how to add the numbers which are at lakhs place, thousand place, 10,000 place. More numbers, large numbers we have tried to add on. So with this, I hope you have understood, and thank you.